Used by over 520,000 motorists daily and known for its intricately intertwined shape, the Kew Gardens Interchange is one of the country's most complex, important interchanges. Located in Queens, New York, it's the junction of the Grand Central Parkway, Van Wyck Expressway, Jackie Robinson Parkway, Union Turnpike, and Queens Boulevard, and provides direct connections to LaGuardia and Kennedy airports. The goal of this massive New York State Department of Transportation project was addressing structural and operational deficiencies and other non-standard features along the Van Wyck corridor to alleviate traffic congestion and high accident rates. Hardesty and Hanover accomplished this by realigning 22 new or rehabilitated highway bridges, reconfiguring numerous ramps, and 12.7 miles of roadway and retaining walls, all interconnecting. 4 construction contracts created a delicate balance maintaining all travel lanes with no long-term off-site detours into neighboring residential communities. The American Society of Civil Engineers is proud to recognize Kew Gardens Interchange Reconstruction as a 2025 OCEA Honor Award.